What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alya if you are new here. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be reviewing the Ellesye New Generation Hair Waver. And it looks like this. I haven't actually opened it yet, so I'm very excited to check it out and see what it's all about. Just off of first glance, it says easy styling, anti-scalding design, and 14 level temperature control. So we love to see it. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got to work with here. So if you watched my previous review on the other Ellesye hair tool, I did a review on the 2-in-1 straightener and curler. So this is the same brand. This one does also come with the glove so you don't burn yourself. And it does come with 2 little clips, which we will use today. And then this is what the waver looks like. So it has little ridges where the kind of like rounded curling barrel clips in, and there is 2 of them. So you would just clamp it as you go down your hair. Now, like the other hair tool that I did in my previous review, it is an American plug. I do live in Ireland, so we don't have this type of outlet, but I do have an adapter. So if you're in America, obviously you're just fine, but if you were purchasing this in any other country, you will have to pick up an adapter. So on the side here, you have the power button, and then you have the plus and minus button, and right now it's just reading as off. So if I turn it on, you can up the temperature. So I'm gonna up it to 320, and you can literally see as the numbers climb up. And so I'm pretty sure it heats up very quickly. And then we will use the cute little pink clips that it came with, because the ones I have are black and these ones are just a lot prettier. So we're gonna use these ones. So let's just see how this works, shall we? I'm excited. So that's actually really pretty. I do have another kind of crimping tool that's different than this one. It looks more like a bunch of curling barrel wands all together, but it actually doesn't give me curls as nice. It's a lot harder to use. So this one actually works better, and it was easier to use because there's just not as many parts to it as the other one. So I do like that right off the bat. I do think that this is definitely giving me those nice waved vibes. And I think you can actually take bigger chunks of hair as well with this because it is quite a bit of a wider tool. And that makes it so much easier because then you can just get it done quicker. And who doesn't like to just, you know, wham bam and have their hair done? I know I do. Look at that. That was so easy. That looks so good. I'm actually obsessed. Wow, that's like perfect waves. That's 1,000 times easier than the other one that I have. So far I'm definitely liking this tool a lot better than their 2-in-1 straightener curler that I reviewed last time. That's a good tool too, but like I had said in that video, it just wasn't really great for my hair. Obviously I wouldn't be using this if my hair was in its natural curly state. You would definitely have to flat iron your hair prior or already have straight hair. But that's fine because it's like what you know you're getting into if you're using this tool. So that makes perfect sense to me. Like the fact that that is so easy, and I have this on 320 heat, and the other tool I had on about like 340 and it still wasn't really straightening my hair properly. So this tool I really like a lot, and that just looks so effortless and natural. It's like literally perfect. This reminds me of like the, I know this isn't really a crimper, but it reminds me of like the OG Conair crimping tool from back in like, what was it? Like literally 2005. It had all of the interchangeable parts. So it had like a waver, a crimper, a straightener, and it like was not a good tool at all, but everyone and their mother had it. It was like that periwinkle like blue color. This obviously is 1,000 times better. I'm pleasantly surprised this is going so quickly. And I like that I can use bigger chunks of hair. Like, look guys, I'm literally almost done with this side of my head, and this is the side that takes longer because I part my hair to the side, so I have more hair on this side. Stop, look how pretty that is. I'm obsessed. Totally taking this on any future vacation I go on because, like, you just cannot beat this type of hair. You really can't. Okay. Perfect. Look how pretty that looks. Like, are we kidding? I literally look like I have island princess hair. I am so obsessed. So now that we have this side completed, let's go ahead and jump on over to this side. This is going to be the shortest video ever because this tool works so efficiently, so I am very pleased with that. Okay, like, can we please talk about how quick and easy that was? That was the easiest hair styling tool I have ever used, by far the quickest. I am absolutely obsessed with how that made my hair turn out. I am pleasantly surprised. To be honest, I really didn't think I was gonna like it as much as I did, and this is definitely something that I am going to use quite frequently now. Final thoughts, I would definitely recommend the Ellesye Wave Generator. This is one of my new favorite hair tools in my arsenal, and I have like tons of hair tools, so that's saying a lot. I will of course link the product down in the description box for you to check out for yourself if you want. It is on Amazon, so super easy to purchase. You know, pick up that new hair tool, sis. You're gonna love it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below if you want to see me review more hair products and tools in the future, and thank you so much for watching.